That's how we're starting the vlog, guys. Hey, got all the homies. I'm back in town. Shout out to all my Fresno people. We're all out here. We're active today. All the homies are here. We got the homie Drippy. We got the homie Jesse, Daniel, me. We got everybody here. Yeah, guys. So we're back in Fresno, and yeah. Damn, look at the homie went on bags. Sick ass foods. Oh, look at the block. It's hot right now. Ah, damn. So what's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to today's video. I hope everybody's having a good day. I'm finally back in town, guys. I'm back in Fresno. It's been so long. I think it's been like 3 months that I haven't came back. So that's already a long time for me being away from everybody, family and everybody. So we're gonna end up hosting a car meet with all the homies. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys do, smash the like button and hit the subscribe button, guys. We're almost at 10K. Come on, let's get it. Damn, Tony, your car looks nice, all clean. Bro, look how Tony does never have his car washed. It's never washed, bro.
You should have showed them when you had all the right here.
Yeah. It's so dirty. Yeah, Daniel. We're all nice and clean now. There he is. Hurry up, man of the hour. I'm waiting for you, brother. What's up, brother? Ready? Fresh. Look at him, fresh cut.
Looks so aggressive.
It looks nice, huh?
Aggressive.
The lights are clean. This is the best thing I've ever done to my car.
You've been saying you wanted that. I was thinking in my head, I was like, how you see this headlights or you gonna slam it?
Yeah.
That's the only two things you've been wanting to do.
Yeah, I'm gonna slam it after.
Okay.
Slam it after and then get a roll cage and wrap it. Guys, we made it. And then look who's here. This is the car I've been wanting to see. The homie Ray Ray's car is insane. G80, guys. And he has the seats. I'll let you guys, I'll show you it right now, watch. Oh my God, this thing's so beautiful. Look at him. What's up, brother? Chilling?
Brother, how you doing?
Good, good. Oh my God, this thing's beautiful, bro. I love it. Guys, look at this interior. Look at the seats too, bro. Oh my God, bro, it's beautiful. Look at the back seats. You can see the carbon, bro. That shit is so sick.
It's worth the money.
Bro, the color is insane. Looks like a wrap, huh? Makes my car look so outdated. God damn, this thing is fire. I'm in love with it. The color's sick too. The interior color's fire. It looks badass, bro. It doesn't look that bad. I got used to it.
Yeah, it grows on you, right?
Yeah. Once you get the carbon one, it looks sick.
Yeah.
That's the one you're getting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should be coming.
It'll look fire, bro.
So that's gonna look good. And then the front mount intakes, I'll put those on there too.
Yeah, that's just gonna be hard. How's it driving
How long
now?
are you keeping this one?
I don't know. I like it a lot, man.
I don't blame you. This is
I like it a lot, dude.
It's fast now.
Keep it. Yeah, it's moving.
Moving.
Yeah.
How's it feel compared to the Supra?
It's not as fast as the Supra, obviously. It's right there though. It's like right there.
But that's crazy. You can make them so fast without even doing much to it.
Yeah, it's insane.
It's literally insane how fast they.
Insane. Like, mod for mod, this thing would be way faster.
Yeah.
Than the Supra. Like mod for mod. Like everything I've done to the Supra,
If
if
you
I
do
done
it
to
to this,
it'd probably be like 1,000 wheel.
Yeah, that is insane, bro.
If I did upgraded turbos, trans, fuel system, port injection, I did all that.
That's what I'm saying. What'd you do to it? And it's already pushing like.
Downpipe E50.
That's it.
Downpipe E50 tune.
That's it, bro. And
it's
at 700, bro.
Damn.
That shit is insane. That shit's so sick, bro. I love the car. Congratulations, brother.
Bro.
The new whipskis. I'm rolling. Fresh boys. Yeah, new Cobra. Oh my God. That shit sounds crazy. Damn, this is hard, bro. What's up, brother? Chilling?
Good to see you.
Just chilling, huh?
You like the new whip? Or?
Yeah, this shit is fire. This shit is hard.
It's alright. It's mid.
It's mid?
It's alright. I love it though. I mean, people will probably be like, what about the Shelby? But nah, I love it. Dude, this is my roots, man.
Yeah.
I fell in love with it. It's like, you know, going back to the Beamer, you know?
Yeah,
like,
it's the same thing. Yeah. It's the same thing. Like if I get something else and then I come back to that.
Yeah. So that's where I'm at with it right now. But no, I love it. It's a good car. So.
It's just fire. Everybody thought you got it for the low, huh?
Oh yeah, everyone thought. Everyone thought, man. It's everything I wish I had on my last one, but.
Yeah. You got a Cobra too, look. Same color.
Yep, same shit. So, no, I'm excited though.
No, that thing's fire.
What I'm probably gonna do is if I want to do big power, I'm gonna build a separate engine like on the side and then just swap it and keep this one so I don't fuck it up.
Yeah.
So I could just be good, you know?
And you could drive it.
Yeah, and I could drive it. So I don't. No risk to fuck it up.
Yeah, that shit is fire, bro.
No,
those are sick. What's up, bro?
What's up, Hugo?
I saw the E46. That shit's sick. The hood.
I got a hood.
The hood's fire.
Finally got the hood.
I like it. Let's look at this Infinity. This one is actually really nice. The carbon is like honeycomb. That's crazy. This one's fire. The color's sick too. I think it's like Tony's color. Damn. GTR, bro.
Very the same color.
He just got it too. For sure feeling himself in it. Down.
Yeah? No, it's good.
That's just slow.
We
Look
can't
at
get
that.
impounded today. That's the goal. Nobody get impounded.
Damn. This was rude. Rude, bro. I want Alex to catch up, bro. Sick ass. Sick ass. Down with it. Cop? There's no way. How far? I don't see him. Sick ass fools. I don't see him.
There was no fun, and I was trying to find that guy that I was supposed to race. But
yeah, I was waiting for everybody. Me and Tony had hollow traffic. People were getting hella mad. I thought there was a cop.
He said there's a cop, so I was like, hey,
there was. I swear to God, there was.
He's scared.
I recorded it on camera.
Yeah, I think there was a cop somewhere.
Bro, that U-turn hella messes up, bro.
Huh?
That U-turn hella messes up.
I know that you too. Everybody.
It's like this because I feel like someone would crash into me.
What U-turn? Where's
The one when we let that.
Oh.
We took the light.
Yeah, you guys took the light.
Yeah.
I know, but I got the turn before you guys.
I'm trying to figure out if this was a 10-speed race. I fucking raced him, but I don't know if it's a 10-speed or.
I wanted to race you. I
I was trying to
like,
line it up.
I was gonna put it. I was like, I was on second gear, and I was like, this fool's
How
like,
are you supposed
look
to
at
do
that. I was gonna do it. I was and record at the same time.
I don't